Hello everyone, this is Jain Bhattacharya, Digit English from JNV Jabalpur. Today we are going to learn an English grammar lesson and the topic is determiners. Let's begin with an activity. Here are some examples. So read these sentences and find out the words which are used before nouns. The first sentence is, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Here, an, a and the. These are the words which are used before noun apple and day and the noun doctor. In the next sentence, please lend me some money. Here, some is used before noun money. In this sentence, this book is very useful. Here, this is used before the noun book. My father was a famous musician. My is used before the noun father. So in short, we have read the determiners. Determiner is a broad term and articles, possessives, demonstratives and quantifiers fall under determiners. A and the are articles. My, our, your, his, her, its are possessives. This, that, these, those are demonstratives. Some, any, many, much, few, little, less. And some others are one, two, first, third, each, every, all, either, neither. All are determiners. Now, what is a determiner? So in very simple words, we can say that determiners are words which are used before nouns. And they tell us about the quantity, the amount, the number. We have the first type of determiners, that is article. Indefinite article, definite article. An is the use of indefinite article. Let's take an example. I need a phone. Here phone is noun. A is used before the noun, a phone. The phone is not specific, not definite. It can be any phone. So, A is used before phone. Another example, I saw a movie last night. A movie. Movie is noun. A is used before it. Which movie? Indefinite one. We don't know. So, this is the use of indefinite article. Coming to this part, the is definite article. It will say about some particular thing, place, person. Here both the speaker and the listener knows. Can you give me the books on the table? So the speaker wants book and the listener is to give the book. So which book? The particular book which is on the table. Now, the movie is based on a real life incident. Here it is a particular movie. Which particular, which definite? The movie means the movie which is based on a real life incident, that particular movie. So the use of the. More usage of indefinite article. Now here you can see some of the words beginning with consonant, like man, cat, lamb. A man, a cat, a lamb. So the words beginning with consonant takes a before it. So a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. In the similar manner, vowel sound, the words which begin with vowel sound. Now, we all know that in English there are 5 A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So the words beginning with A, E, I, O, U takes an before it. So we have aeroplane, A, vowel, and is used. Umbrella, U, and is used. Egg, E, and is used. Birds beginning with silent letter H. This is an exceptional rule. Our honest person. You can see the word is written in consonant. So the word H is consonant letter. But the pronunciation is from O, this part, R. So since it is coming freely, the vowel sound comes freely through the throat. It is not pronounced with H. That is why N is used. Honest person, again, H is not used in the pronunciation. It is the O, honest. Though it seems that it is a consonant word, but it is having a vowel sound. So N is used. In the similar manner, same example, MA, consonant, SP, consonant, but the sound is coming freely. So an MA and SP. This is again an exceptional rule in the use of A. Now you can see one man show. One begins with vowel, but while speaking, it is taking the help of both the lips. So it is not coming freely. So A is used for it. In the similar manner, European, U, using the lips. University, using the lips. That is why A is used, though the words begin with vowels. So this is an exceptional rule. Coming to more use of an and articles, indefinite. Not used. These indefinite articles are not used before uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns such as very common one, you see milk, water, music, beauty, honesty, tea. These are very common nouns. But we can use a or an before an uncountable noun in a particular sense, often with different meaning. Now you read these two. Tea in general sense, I want tea. There is no use of article. But tea is used with a cup of tea. So it becomes a particular sense, a cup of tea. So here it is used a. Now the use of the definite article. You see, when a noun is repeated in consecutive sentences, then in the next sentence the is used. For example, here you come. I met a lawyer. Here in the first sentence it is a lawyer. Then in the very next sentence you will find the lawyer is repeated. So this becomes particular lawyer, which is said in the previous sentence. So I met a lawyer, and that lawyer becomes in the next sentence the lawyer. Gave me good advice. We can go to this sentence also. I bought a book. In the first sentence it is a book. Now when it is repeated in the second sentence, it becomes a particular book. So the book is really interesting. So that particular book becomes very interesting. Again, the is used with singular noun referring to a particular group or class. Here the example is the lion is a beast of prey. Now lion seems to be a singular word. No. Here it is used to refer to a particular group, means the whole group of lion. In this sentence, the lady in pink dress is his sister. The lady is noun. But why the lady? Because there is a noun phrase. Which is the noun phrase? The lady who is in pink dress. So the lady wearing a pink dress is a particular lady. So when this noun phrase is there describing the noun, then we take the before such type of nouns. Similar sentence you can see, the man. Why the man? Because that particular man who came late was not allowed to enter. Which man? The particular man who came late. He was not allowed to enter. So this is how in some of the cases definite articles are used. Here you have some pictures, and this will simplify your learning. See, before the names of rivers, oceans, mountains, important religious books, some newspapers and magazines. Now few is fuel here, the river. You take river and write the before it. Any river, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Narmada, the Godavari, like that. Himalayas, the Himalayas. Then religious books, the Bible. Then we have epics also, like the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib. Before oceans, the is used, especially in geographical features, the is particularly used. So we have the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Ocean, like that. Then we can take some name of some newspaper, the Hindu, the Telegraph, like that. Coming to this one, the use of the, you see, it is very interesting one. We use the before a noun becoming particular by reason of its position and locality. Position, you see, position, how it is. Father is in the lawn. Why the? Because it is the lawn of the house. That particular house where the father lives. So father is in the lawn of the house, particular. Please pass the salt. Why the salt? Because it is a particular salt which is kept on the table. So that particular salt, that is why the is used. Next is some of the adjectives of a class or a group, like the rich, the needy, the poor, like this. This is also very interesting, superlatives. We have read some of the words like big, bigger, biggest, tall, taller, tallest, small, smaller, smallest. So the superlative degree takes the before it. For example, he is the bravest. EST form is there. So the bravest. Here we have a different form of superlative. So the most intelligent girl. So the most is the superlative degree. You can use the tallest, the biggest, the smallest, like that. Now some of the nouns, proper nouns. It is made definite by the use of a phrase. Shakespeare is a proper noun, but when it is used in a phrase sense, it takes the use of the. For example, the immortal Shakespeare. The Mr. Verma, you all know, came to meet me. That particular Mr. Verma, like that. Again, in certain expressions, the is used. For example, the ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the third, the first chapter, the second chapter, like that. So these are ordinal numbers. Again with both, since both means two. So both the brothers, like this. This is second type of determiners, possessives. We have possessive determiner, mine, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are possessives. What do we understand by possessives? Possessive means you possess something. Means it is your own. It is your own. Like we say my dog. So I am the owner. My home, I am the owner. I possess this, means. His dog means the third person is the owner. Her dog, some lady is the owner. Like this. Now we have the determiners, third type. This is demonstrative. Demonstrative means it will point to near or distant person, place or objects. Means it will show nearness or farness, distant. This is a very common word. This means something kept very near to me. So this book, you see, this book, nearness, it shows nearness. And this is used with singular noun, singular noun. So book is singular, this is singular. So this book, this means nearness, it shows. That book, distant object. Something kept at a distant. So that book, you see, it is something far. This becomes plural, these. So the plural of this is these. Here you see the book changes to books, becomes plural. So in plural, the meaning remains the same. It will show more than one quantity. Coming to the use of that and the plural form of those books. Those books means the books which are kept at some distance. It is used with plural form. You see again books. Book has become books. Now the fourth type of determinants. It is quantifiers. It is a very big list in number. Quantifier means it will show amount, it will show number, it will show quantity. Each, every, any, one. These are quantifiers, determinants. Now the use, it is used with countable singular. Means singular. Here it is singular. See, boy. We cannot use plural. Each boy is wrong use. Each boy. So each is used with countable singular. So it is countable also, boy, noun, and singular also. In the similar manner, any person. Person is singular and it is countable. One boy. Again you can count one boy. It is singular. So we have some simple sentences. Each boy was treated well. Any person can do it. One boy was missing. Then we have some, any, all, a lot of, most, more, no, none of the. These are having different use. Means it is used with countable plural number. You see here plural, boys. So some will go with plural form. Some boys, some boys. Okay. A lot of Indians, a lot of Indians. It is countable. Here countable. It is countable and here it is also countable. So some boys, a lot of Indians. So this is how these words are used. More determinants for you. Many, several, few, one of the, both, a couple of. These words are used before countable plural. You see singers, plural. We can count it. So many singers. So many singers, countable, plural. Many singers were praised. Few girls, again countable, plural. Few girls were present. So these are, few is used with countable only, countable nouns. Then we have this much and less, a little, used with uncountable. Much silence, we cannot count silence, uncountable. Little sugar, we cannot count sugar. So little sugar, used with uncountable nouns. Now look at this use of some and any, both together. What is this? Thumbs up. Thumbs up means yes, affirmative sentence. You are thirsty. Would you like some cold water? Means I know that person wants some cold water. So the answer will be yes. Any. Any is used in negative sentence and questions. I don't have any novel to read. Means it is taken that there is no novel. So in a negative sense. Have you any money? When I speak this question, have you any money? It means that I know that you do not have any money. Then also I am asking you, have you any money? Like that. So in a negative sense. Much, many. Much is used with a large amount. Uncountable nouns. Much with uncountable nouns and showing large amount. Much money. Money is uncountable and much shows a great amount. So how much money do you have? How much money? Many. Meaning is same, but it is used with this large number. It is also large amount, it is large number. So only difference between much and many is amount and number. So I know many Americans. You can count Americans, many Americans. So the number is counted and it is also used with countable nouns. A lot of, lots of. We have heard these sentences. So these two phrases can be used in place of much and many. Meaning is same. How? You have a lot of time to do it. In an informal way I am saying. You have a lot of time to do it. You have much time to do it. Meaning is same. Lots of people are still superstitious. Means many people are superstitious. Lots of people are superstitious. Many people are superstitious. Means the same. A little. If A is used, then it will show some amount. And if only little is used, very small amount. Come to the example. A little water means some water. Little help means very small help. Read the sentence. Give me a little water please means give me some water. Even little help will encourage the maid means a little help will encourage the maid. Plenty of again gives you the number plenty, many numbers. Means it indicates a fairly good amount, good number, and it is used with both uncountable and countable. We say milk is uncountable, but we use plenty of milk. When we say plenty of milk means it will show you large amount. We bought plenty of books for them. Countable books, countable. Plenty of books for them. Like this. So plenty of is used in both countable and uncountable. Similarly, few means very small and a few means some. Coming to the examples, a few people means some people are there. Few chairs means very small number of chairs. Now, only a few people know me here means some people know me. And few chairs were empty means a small number of chairs are empty. Then you add quite a few. Before if you use quite a few, then it will indicate a fairly large number again. Not some number, large number. See, quite a few persons know me here. Means a large number knows me here. So that is the difference in the use, you see. A few and quite a few. Then no. No means no amount, no quantity. And it is used before countable and uncountable. So you see, examples are given. There were no biscuits. No biscuits. Nil biscuits. Countable. Biscuits, countable now. I have no information. Information is uncountable now. No information. I have no information. Nil information about today's weather. Either, neither. Either, neither is again used in the positive sense. Either is used in the positive sense. Neither is used in the negative sense. How? If I say either side of the road, means this side or this side. Like this. Neither case means not this case, not the second case. No. A little bit of, quite a bit of. Meaning same. Uses. Informal phrases and used to qualify uncountable nouns. These are informal uses. A little bit of water means very less quantity. And there was quite a bit of sugar in the tea. Again very less quantity. Like this. Now we have read all the types of determinants, and on the basis of this reading and understanding we can attempt this exercise. And it is a mixed exercise of mixed determinants. So we can have a reading of this one. Like every morning after breakfast, Nasim would come to my bed. In a voice he would describe a scene which I would work from dawn to dusk as if the day would never end, and one canvas finished and another started. So this is how we use determinants our daily to day speaking and writing. Hope you have understood the use of determinants. Here we end the presentation, and thank you very much.